Jeep has always been a symbol of rugged adventure and off-road capability, but there's a problem. While Jeep is still iconic, it's struggling to win over the younger generation. Could it be outdated designs, high price tags, or something else entirely? Stick with us as we count down the top 10 reasons why Jeep is failing to attract young buyers, and what they need to do to get back in the race. For decades, Jeep has held a strong position in the automotive world, associated with durability, off-road prowess, and adventure. Models like the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee have a loyal following, but there's a growing issue. Jeep is failing to resonate with younger consumers. Millennials and Gen Z, who now make up a significant portion of the car buying market, are looking for something different than what Jeep is offering. Here's a deep look into the top 10 reasons why Jeep is struggling to capture the attention of this important demographic. 10. Outdated design perception. Jeep's rugged, boxy design has long been its hallmark. While this classic look appeals to off-road enthusiasts and those with a sense of nostalgia, it isn't winning over younger buyers who are more drawn to sleek, modern aesthetics. Millennials and Gen Z have grown up with cars that emphasize futuristic design, and while Jeep's style may be iconic, it risks being seen as old-fashioned. The lack of a fresh, dynamic appearance in the Jeep lineup means that many young buyers simply overlook the brand in favor of competitors that offer sharper, more modern designs that fit their personal aesthetic and lifestyle. 9. Poor fuel efficiency. One of the key factors that younger buyers consider is fuel efficiency. Jeep's reputation for off-road capability often comes at the expense of fuel economy, with many of its models, such as the Wrangler and Cherokee, having lower than average miles per gallon. In a market where environmental concerns are growing and where hybrids and electric vehicles are increasingly popular, Jeep's fuel inefficiency stands out in a negative way. For younger generations that are eco-conscious and financially savvy, poor fuel efficiency can be a deal breaker. Many are looking for cars that align with their values of sustainability and saving money on fuel, and Jeep currently lags behind in this department. 8. High cost of ownership. Jeep vehicles, particularly models like the Wrangler, tend to be more expensive than the average car in terms of both purchase price and maintenance costs. While many young buyers might appreciate the rugged capability of a Jeep, they also tend to prioritize affordability. Maintenance costs for Jeeps can be high due to their off-road capabilities and unique components. Younger buyers, often managing student debt or saving for larger life investments, may see the cost of owning a Jeep as excessive. This financial hurdle makes them less likely to consider Jeep when cheaper, more reliable alternatives exist. 7. Competition from other SUVs. The SUV market has exploded in recent years, with more brands offering compact, affordable, and technologically advanced options that appeal to younger buyers. Brands like Hyundai, Toyota, and Subaru have launched successful crossover and SUV models that blend practicality, fuel efficiency, and affordability. These models come packed with the latest technology and safety features, things that are high on the list for Millennials and Gen Z's. Jeep, while still strong in off-road capabilities, hasn't evolved its SUV lineup as quickly or as attractively as its competitors. As a result, younger buyers are opting for vehicles like the Hyundai Tucson or Subaru Crosstrek, which meet their needs without the extra cost associated with the Jeep brand. 6. Lack of advanced technology. Tech-savvy young buyers expect their vehicles to come loaded with the latest gadgets and features, including cutting-edge infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance technologies, and seamless smartphone integration. While Jeep has made some efforts to integrate tech into its newer models, it's often seen as lagging behind competitors who prioritize technology as a core offering. Younger buyers, accustomed to the rapid pace of innovation in their smartphones and gadgets, expect the same from their cars. Jeep's slower adoption of the latest in-car tech has resulted in it being perceived as outdated or less appealing to a generation that craves modern convenience. 5. Lack of electric and hybrid options. Another key factor for younger consumers is the move towards electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrids. Millennials and Gen Z are not only more eco-conscious, but they're also early adopters of new technology. Brands that offer hybrid and electric options are more attractive to this group. Jeep has been slow to transition to electric vehicles, only recently announcing hybrid versions of the Wrangler and plans for electric models in the future. While these developments are promising, Jeep is currently trailing behind brands like Tesla, Toyota, and even Ford, which have made significant strides in producing electric and hybrid vehicles. Without a solid presence in the EV market, Jeep risks losing younger buyers to brands that better align with their environmental values. 4. Overemphasis on off-roading. Jeep's identity is built on off-roading, with the brand continuously promoting its vehicles as adventure-ready and capable of tackling the toughest terrains. However, younger buyers, especially those living in urban areas, aren't necessarily looking for off-road capabilities. Many want practical vehicles for city driving, with good fuel efficiency and plenty of cargo space for everyday use. By focusing so heavily on off-roading, Jeep may be alienating a portion of the younger market that sees off-road features as unnecessary. Younger drivers may appreciate the idea of adventure, but in reality, they're looking for practicality and versatility in their day-to-day vehicles. 3. Environmental concerns. As climate change becomes a more prominent issue, younger buyers are prioritizing eco-friendly vehicles. Jeep's traditional gasoline-powered engines, known for their lower fuel efficiency, don't align with the values of environmentally conscious consumers. While Jeep has announced plans to introduce more hybrid and electric models, the brand's image remains tied to large, fuel-hungry SUVs and off-road vehicles. Millennials and Gen Z want to support companies that take sustainability seriously. Without a clear commitment to reducing its carbon footprint, Jeep could continue to struggle to attract these buyers. 2. Marketing disconnect. Jeep's marketing efforts have often focused on rugged individualism, adventure, and off-road capabilities. While this messaging resonates with older generations and outdoor enthusiasts, it may not connect as well with younger consumers. Millennials and Gen Z are looking for brands that reflect their own values, such as sustainability, inclusivity, and technology. Jeep's rugged image doesn't necessarily speak to the lifestyles of younger buyers, many of whom live in urban areas and prioritize tech features and environmental considerations. The brand's marketing could benefit from a shift in focus to better align with what younger generations value in a vehicle. 1. Lack of affordable entry-level models. At the top of the list is Jeep's lack of truly affordable entry-level models. While brands like Hyundai, Kia, and Toyota offer a range of cars that start at lower price points, Jeep's lineup is generally more expensive. The Jeep Renegade and Compass are positioned as Jeep's more affordable options, but even these come with higher price tags compared to similarly sized competitors. Younger buyers, often purchasing their first or second car, are price sensitive and looking for value. Without a more affordable option in the lineup, Jeep risks losing out to brands that cater better to buyers on a budget. Introducing a competitively priced, entry-level model with the style and features that appeal to younger drivers could help Jeep regain its footing in this market. Can Jeep win back younger buyers? In conclusion, while Jeep has a long history of success and a loyal following, it's clear that the brand is facing challenges when it comes to attracting younger consumers. Outdated design perceptions, poor fuel efficiency, high costs, and a lack of electric options are just a few of the hurdles Jeep must overcome. Additionally, Jeep's marketing strategy may not be connecting with the values and priorities of today's younger buyers, who are tech-savvy, eco-conscious, and price-sensitive. Jeep still has the potential to turn things around by focusing on more sustainable practices, offering more affordable models, and prioritizing technology. The brand could win over the younger demographic. Only time will tell if Jeep can adapt and reclaim its place in the hearts of the next generation of drivers. If you enjoyed learning why Jeep is struggling to attract young buyers, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have plenty more videos diving into automotive trends, car reviews, and insights. Let us know in the comments, would you consider buying a Jeep or is it off your radar?